So today I will tell you live, okay? I will deconstruct live human forms for you, and I will tell you energy wise, explain everything. Like, see, if you see a particular form, like this guy, so just by the way he is sitting, his actions, everything, how can you interpret he is a good person or an evil person? Now it's very tricky, no? So when you look at the symbols he is wearing, then they are like, chakras and everything. So you might get too much into the mind, the meaning of it, rather than seeing the real stuff, the energy, the tamas. Now how do you know it is tamas? Look at the face. Look at it. Do you feel there is a serenity there? No. There is a dullness there. That the energy and the peace is fake. Look at the eyes. Look at the way he's sitting. The way he's sitting is the asana basically. You understand? And every asana has an energy form. So, like you resemble a snake, so it becomes a Bhujanga asana, right? So which animal consciousness this guy sitting form is resembling? See, now he's changing. He's changing because he's trying to make it look like he is doing the right thing. You understand? Now this is happening because of the real-time feedback. Because these people, they operate on, they pretend, no. They really don't know how their energy is aligning at that particular moment. But they are pretending to be spiritual. You understand? So, now this is where the external won't work. Like the person will wear like proper clothes like Brahmin, like Ravan. He will act like a Brahmin also. Everything he will do. See? Told you. This is what Ravan did. So basically what Ravan did was, he followed the technique exactly. So because you follow the technique exactly, then because of the frequency also it works. If you wear the right color, if you wear the right frequency, if you hear, if you do the right procedure, if you follow. So he also followed it. So he also got the understanding. But the heart is not there. See, the pretenders. This one will be very tricky for you guys actually. I will do more for you guys. Like I will do non-living forms also. So in this case you can only catch it with the actions. Like you have to look into the actions of that person and see if it is aligning with dharma or not. Are his actions, does he want to protect animals? Does he want to do good for others? Those won't be there because the heart is not there. So if you look at the kingdom of Ravana, that is the same only, He made his kingdom very prosperous. But he was never, that was his kingdom, no? So when you look at the acts of these people, you will know. I will do more of these exercises. Now I can see energy, so I'll tell you exactly, like face expressions. Basically, face expressions are what? Visual symbols which you are forming sense in a face. And then you are decoding, like this kind of arrangement of the face is smile. This kind of arrangement is anger. So visually you are seeing anger in visual form. So by how people wear their visual symbols of face that you are decoding, how you can deconstruct. I will tell you guys that also. So we will do it. We will form yantras also. We form powerful machines which can destroy everything. That also we will do.